Hello, developers. In this unit, we'll guide you through the essentials of creating Lightning Web Components, LWC. By the end of this unit, you'll be equipped to describe the contents of each component file, create JavaScript methods for an LWC, and harness the power of lifecycle hooks. Before we dive in, ensure you have the necessary tools. Visual Studio Code VS Code with the Salesforce extension pack. Salesforce's CLI. Explore the foundational structure of Lightning Web Component HTML files. The template tag encapsulates the HTML defining your component structure. Uncover the simplicity of component build structure, where a folder and its files share the same name, linked seamlessly. A Lightning Web Component simply needs a folder and files with the same name. They're automatically linked by name and location. Remember, camel case is your friend for multi-word component names. Now, let's make things happen with JavaScript. Dive into the LWC module, leveraging ECMAScript 6 modules to bundle core functionality accessible to your component's JavaScript. Lightning Web Components use modules to bundle core functionality. The core module is LWC. Begin with the import statement to access Lightning element functionality. Decorators modify the behavior of a property or function. In Lightning Web Components, import decorators from the LWC module. Examples include AAPI, ATrack, and Wire. Bupto expose fields as public, defining the component's API for external access. All public properties are reactive, triggering re-renders upon changes. Track instructs the framework to observe changes to object properties or array elements. Use when changes should trigger a component re-render. Wire facilitates data retrieval and binding from a Salesforce org, a powerful tool for seamless integration. Congratulations! You've delved into the intricacies of creating Lightning Web Components. Armed with the knowledge of HTML structure, JavaScript functionality, and the magic of decorators, you're on your way to crafting powerful components. Under the Force app main default, right-click the LWC folder and select SFDX. Create Lightning Web Component. Name the Lightning Web Component First Test LWC and select the main default LWC directory. You will see an HTML file, a JavaScript file, a metadata XML file, and a test.js file will be created. In the HTML file, first test L by HTML, create a div, write name and variable name. Save the file. In the JavaScript file, first test LWC.js, provide name variable with a suitable value. Save the file. In the XML file, first test LWC.js meta.xml, make the code change. Save the file. Right-click and select SFDX, deploy source to org. In Salesforce org, click the settings icon, then select Edit Page. Drag the first test LWC Lightning Web Component from the custom area of the Lightning Components list to the top of the page canvas. Click Save. Click Activate. Click Save again. Then click the left side back icon to return to the page. Refresh the page to view your new component. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more Salesforce customization tips. Check out the description below to connect with us. Thanks for watching and happy customizing.